If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober. All right, he's gonna try to, yeah, he can't see no more than I did. I walked down there too. Can't see nothing. But all we know is the road's messed up. Like, messed up.
This thing's a badass looking motherfucker.
Yeah, I see it. But you walk down there, you can only see what the headlights are showing.
Yeah. No
so
way.
you have no way.
You're walking right through this.
All right.
You're frozen solid.
All right, Doc, Mr. Big Balls. I tell you what, we get stuck, we're in a lot of trouble because it's fucking cold out.
You're sitting tight. I'll do the work. I ain't worried about it.
All right.
I don't bring you out here to fucking suffer.
Yeah.
I could go that way too. I ain't gonna. I didn't take that walk.
All right. She's washed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at it. Erosion just trashed it.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I can't imagine what it's like over there.
I know. Oh, easy.
Oh no, she's already.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I know where we are. We're on the power lines, right? Yeah. Can't see them, but I know where we are.
Look how this is washed.
Oh man, it is messed up.
We can go where we never gone for.
Holy crap! Look at the kit. Look at it.
Oh, the ruts it made.
Oh man.
Oh, wash that right the fuck out, dude.
Erosion.
Wicked.
What do you? What? Why are you going up here?
I don't know.
Dude,
I really don't know.
there ain't nothing up here. What?
Oh, okay.
Where you going?
What's the challenge?
No,
You ever been through them before?
no, you crazy bastard! Look.
I've never been through them before.
No, there ain't no trail up.
Right?
I
Sure.
Oh my God!
Well, it's all part of these things.
It's part of it. You're shaking the beer up.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what. I'll drink every one of them.
Oh, why did you drive?
Because I wanted to see where it goes.
We know where this goes.
How do we know? We've never been up here before.
We've been up here so many times. Oh
Okay.
my fucking
All right. So I'm
word!
gonna have to turn around. Is what you're saying?
Oh, we're in our backyard. You don't recognize this?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Just shut up.
Just shut up. Oh, wait.
What? Afraid you're gonna fall down?
I can't fall down. I'm sitting. I've tried it. Oh. I hope this is fun for you.
Oh, what, you think I come here because I hate it?
Oh, you're gonna go down. Okay.
No, I ain't.
No, don't go down that
I
way.
ain't going down that way.
No, don't go down that way.
I know better.
Yeah.
I go the way I can.
Yeah, you know where you are. I don't care. You pretend you don't, but you do.
Yeah, I know where
Yeah,
I am.
and that's why.
I just never seen it like this before.
Yeah, neither have I. But
And
you
frozen.
know. Yeah. But you know, just because it tracks up through here doesn't mean that there's an idiot like you that drove up here and turned around.
They're not even gonna know. Look, you don't see my tracks.
Oh, no, not today because it's frozen.
Nah, yeah, now you're getting it.
Yeah.
You know how clean my vehicle is.
Yeah, I know. Stupido.
Want to come up here in the slushy, muddy stuff?
Oh.
No.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
I don't want to do that.
Oh.
That's no
Down we
fun.
go. Down we go.
All right, I'll take one.
All right. Now be
It's
careful.
okay.
Oh. Now this is a steep decline. I know it doesn't look like it, but
It is.
oh. Yeah, this is a straight down situation. Oh.
Tires grab good coming up.
Oh yeah.
Tires grab good going down.
Yeah. Yeah. She's good.
Yeah, she is.
And you know what's at the bottom of this?
A big old beaver dam.
Yeah, huge puddle of water.
Whatever came up,
Okay,
they've
down we
been
go.
tracks. Look, it's all excavator.
hey, yeah.
All of this is excavator.
I know. Why is there an excavator? I saw that.
I don't know, and he played that out.
We didn't fix nothing. Look at
but
this.
look at he dug it and leveled it off so that he could drive up there. They must be making a landing station or some sort up here.
Yeah,
you
it's
know,
that. Just because
they
it's
cut a
power
trough, let the water run down through.
Yeah, I don't. They didn't help nothing. I can tell you right now. This is more trash than I've ever seen it.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen it this mess?
No. They dug it out. They dug it out. This is widened out.
They dug it out all right.
Yeah. They got projects.
Yeah, well,
Obviously.
they didn't help nothing.
I don't know. If they got projects, they help themselves.
In the 15 years of coming here, I've never seen this fucked up. So if they're helping something, you explain to me.
All right. So you explain to me.
All right. No,
Do
wait a
that
minute.
with the Mexican accident.
No. Shut the fuck up. Do you even know where we're going?
I do.
Wait a minute. Where is it? Where's the trail?
The trail's forward.
Where's the beaver dam?
To the
Okay,
left.
I see it. Okay,
To the left.
I see it.
Okay. See all that water?
No, I didn't. I didn't see it. I didn't see it.
Navigate that.
Yeah, we're navigating all right.
Yeah, we are.
Out here in the middle of the fucking night.
It's amazing how much fun Budweiser really is. And that's not an advertisement plug. That's just the truth.
You know? Liquid courage.
Oh, I ain't scared. Didn't need that to have it.
I was definitely scared before, but I'm not now.
Well, that's all you.
Yeah. All right. Where is it? Okay. Oh, the beaver dam's right there.
On the left.
Take a left,
I'm going.
and we're gonna see
Should I
it.
use my blinker?
No. No, it's got to be right there. Come on, turn the corner. We're gonna look at it,
Oh, we will.
and it's got to be deep. And there's no way we can cross it.
No, I'm sure we cannot.
No.
Unless they laid a bed of rock.
A bed of rock.
Oh, look at what they did for us.
Whoa. What is all this?
A bed of rock.
What the fuck is this?
It's a bridge, that's for sure.
Oh my fucking word.
Are we
no.
doing it?
Oh.
Oh, we got to do it.
Oh yeah, it's too.
We got to do it.
Are you
This
scared?
This is all new.
What the fuck is this?
This is all new. I will say that.
Who's the crazy bastard that built a bridge over
Wow,
our
dude.
beaver dam?
I'm so glad we got video footage of us fording this.
This is historic.
This is a maiden run right here.
Yeah.
No, this is never supposed to be bridge.
No, they put riprap over the whole thing. Oh.
What the fuck, dude? What the fuck, dude?
They ruined our fun.
Whoa.
Oh wait a minute. We're gonna drop off. We're gonna drop off. Oh.
Yeah, she's a little one for sure.
Yo, what the hell is that?
All right.
Oh.
Yeah, what the hell is that?
Yeah. Turn around.
I'm gonna
get a good look. What the fuck? Okay. There it is, right there. Look at it. Oh, and it takes a little bit to drive up on it, as you can tell. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
All right, dude. I'm getting out.
Yeah,
I need to walk.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what the fuck is this.
This is new.
Wow.
Oh. All right. I'm not even going to turn it off. Hold on. I'm going to try not to fall out. Look at it. Some crazy bastard has made a whole road of riprap. So that explains the excavator tracks. Look at this bullshit.
Wow.
How many feet you suppose this is? 50?
Oh, from there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's a good 100 feet. Anyway, that's 100 feet.
That's crazy. What the fuck is this? Right out in the middle of the woods.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we don't have to turn around and go back.
Yeah. No, we don't. Still an hourly trail.
Oh man.
I'm wondering if this is part of a, a trail endeavor?
I don't know.
Yeah. No, I was telling you 2 weeks ago this was here.
No.
2 weeks ago, me and Chris were here.
Why the fuck would anybody put this here?
Thoroughfare. It's got to be part of the trail network. It's got to be.
Don't make any sense.
Well, aliens didn't do it.
I ain't sure of that. Why would
it was one of them?
Why would anybody put? Oh, they put a fucking 100-foot long riprap bridge. I don't even know what to think of that. I know it's cold out here.